Hello and welcome to week 3, Hexter 4 of physics. So I'm going to go back one tab. Once you open your Schoology, you just go to week 3, open up Newton's second law of motion where it says week 3. One thing I would like to remind you of is you need to be working on your weeks 1 and 2 assignments that haven't been completed. This week I start filling in the zeros, so you will see a significant grade drop if you have uh, assignments that are not completed. So the good news, it shouldn't take more than 20 minutes or so to do one or even two assignments. So spend a diligent amount of time doing these assignments and you'll get caught up in a hurry. First of all, our discussion posts are graded, so make sure you're replying to the discussion post. This week I did include a bonus. If you reply to another student's post, you get a bonus 10 points. So, laws of motion and speed is our first subject. It's pretty lengthy. There's a reading passage. It explains the speed and laws of motion, and your assessment is based on 3 separate assessments for the same reading activity. So, one is just answering some questions. Secondly, you do what's called a cloze activity, C-L-O-Z-E, which is just filling in blanks from a word bank, and then complete a short writing assignment. Uh, there we go. Here it's called It's Dynamic Laws of Motion and Speed. It's opened up for you. All the important words are highlighted. Okay. So once you do the reading, click on the assessment. Then you'll open it. And it will appear in a second. Here it comes. So here's the reading again, just to refresh it, so you have it right in front of you. And then you have these questions, okay? They're pretty much in sequential order from the reading. So go ahead and take a look at these questions first if you think that will help you. All right, let's close that. So once you get the questions done, let's keep scrolling down. There is a cloze activity, like I told you. Sorry, jumping around a little here. There's the word bank for the cloze activity. And all you have to do is fill in the blanks, okay, from the word bank. It's good reinforcement of what you just read. And all the answers are used one time only, okay? Then there is, oh, you know what? Let's see. You know what? I don't see the writing assignment yet. So if it's not there, oh, wait, hold on. Here it is. Oh, here it is, yeah. Imagine you are a car speedometer. Write a journal entry to your classmates that explains Newton's 3 laws of motion and velocity. So basically, just write the 3 laws of motion, and in a sentence or so, write down how a car speedometer um, refers to Newton's laws of motion. For instance, an object at rest will stay at rest. When you're just sitting in a car, the speedometer is not moving. So I kind of just gave you the first one there. All right, so get that activity done. That might take a little bit of time because, like I said, it is 3 activities. But just stay with it. It does count for 100 points, so that's very significant. Very significant that you get that done. Then we get right into a video on from the science of NFL football, and it's a short video, and then all I want you to do on that is take some notes. I included a note catcher right here. Okay, so take some notes on the video. Then there's another lesson, Newton's second law. Let's open it. This is a slideshow and a short video again about Newton's second law to reinforce all the concepts. So just all you need to do is watch that video and go through the slideshow. It will help you do some of the assessments. Lastly for this week is a physics vocabulary quiz. Let's open up the instructions first. And it says, what follows is a quiz on our motion vocabulary words. So then what you'll do is click open the quiz. And then just go to questions, or you'll go over here to edit, and then you will start one of your attempts. It'll say start attempt. So that's all you need to do. You can take this as many times as you need to get it done. So that should be pretty straightforward. Then, okay, so we have a guest demonstration here on magnet power, which certainly is a demonstration of Newton's laws, and here is Jack.
So we're gonna do some magnet things with moving magnets. So I will show you. But if you turn it over, it connects back to you. Even if you do it that way, it goes that way. So, and then would you like?
See.
And I'm gonna do other robots things.
No, that was my explanation of Newton's laws.
Well, that was my
demonstration.
Demonstration of Newton's laws. So I'm gonna do another robot.
That's it for now, buddy.